First sportspersons to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sporting honor of India. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is a civilian award for contributions to sports, individual or team. The recipients are selected by a committee constituted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and is honored for their spectacular and most outstanding performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years at international level. The award is named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, who served the office from 1984 to 1989. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna was instituted in the year 1991 and 1992. Who is the first person and first chess player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Viswanathan Anand in the year 1991 to 1992. Who is the first billiards player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Geet Sethi in the year 1992 to 1993. Who is the first Yachting sportsperson to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Homi Motiwala is an Indian sportsperson in Yachting the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award jointly with Pushpender Kumar Garg for overall best performance in sports for the year 1993 to 1994. Who is the first weightlifter and first woman to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Karnam Malleshwari in the year 1994 to 1995. Who is the first tennis player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Leander Paes in the year 1996 to 1997. Who is the first cricket player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Sachin Tendulkar in the year 1997 to 1998. Who is the first athlete and first woman athlete to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Jyotir Moi Sikdar in the year 1998 to 1999. Who is the first hockey player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Dhanraj Pillai in the year 1999 to 2000. Who is the first badminton player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Pullela Gopi Chand in the year 2000 to 2001. Who is the first shooting sportsperson to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Abhinav Bindra in the year 2001. Who is the first shooting sportswoman to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Anjali Bhagwat in the year 2002. Who is the first boxing sportsperson to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? MC Mary Kom in the year 2009. Who is the first wrestler sportsperson to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Sushil Kumar in the year 2009. Who is the first gymnast sportswoman to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Deepa Karmakar in the year 2016. Who is the first woman wrestler to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Sakshi Malik in the year 2016. Who is the first para-athlete to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Devendra Jajaria in the year 2017. Who is the first woman table tennis player to be awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Manika Batra in the year 2020.
Thank you for watching.